Good day! In this video, I will demonstrate how to achieve this look. Kindly click subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest videos. Hi everyone! This is my bare face. Let's start. We'll use 4 makeup products. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. I'm in the shade number 4. It has a slanted tip and it also comes with a spoolie on the other end. For my eyelashes, I will use Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Lastly, I will use MAC Amplified Lipstick in the shade of Neon Orange. This will be for my eyes, cheeks, and lips. Let's start. I will use a powder brush to evenly distribute the product on my face. If you want, you can also use the sponge that comes with the powder. This powder is in the shade of 120 Classic Ivory. What I like about this powder is that it has a natural poreless looking finish and a lasting shine control, which is definitely a must-have, especially for on-the-go moms like me. Don't forget to put powder down your neck and your chest for even coverage. Since I will not be using any concealer, I will put powder around my eyes through the help of this smaller brush. On the sides of my nose and around my lips as well. Next, I will do my eyebrows using this from Benefit. Brushing my eyebrows first. Filling in the gaps between the hairs of my eyebrows and following its natural shape. The other side as well. Use the spoolie on the other end to soften the look. Curling my lashes. I will use Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. What I like about this product is that it holds my curls up for the whole day. Then the other side. Lastly, using Amplified Lipstick from MAC in the shade of Neon Orange. I'll use my finger to blend the color evenly around my lips. I will also use this as my eyeshadow. Using my finger again, I will dab an ample amount on my eyes. For my cheeks, this product also. To finish and complete the look, put powder again to mattify the face. And that's it. Ready to go. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video, everyone. Goodbye.